in this video, we're going to cover what exactly is a trigger link. So when we log into our account, we're going to click on the left-hand navigation bar and click on the Conversations tab. And at the very top sub-navigation bar, we have Conversation, Manual Actions, Template Snippets, and Trigger Links. Let's click on Trigger Links, and then we have a drop-down selection option. We're going to click on Links, and basically trigger links act as like a doorbell. When somebody presses a doorbell on any property, it notifies the people inside of the property that somebody is outside of the property. So trigger links basically act in the same way. When somebody clicks a button or a link and you want something to happen when anybody clicks that link or that button, this is where you would create that very first step. So you would add a trigger link by clicking the blue Add Link button. So in this example, we're going to create a trigger link for the newsletter button sign up. So we're going to name it newsletter button. So basically, this is the first step in triggering that process, that workflow, right? So the link, what is the link URL? The link URL is where that contact will land once they click that subscribe to newsletter button. More than likely, it's a confirmation page. So let's first actually go get the link to that confirmation page. We're going to go to Sites. We're going to go to our newsletter funnel, and this is the link that they will land on. So let's go back to Conversations and click on Links. We're going to click the blue Add Link button and say newsletter button. We're going to input the link URL as the confirmation page. Click Save. And that is how you create a trigger link within your account. And once that trigger link has been created, we can now create an automation, meaning an action that we want to occur when somebody clicks on that specific trigger link that we just created. So let's go to automation by clicking on automations right underneath the marketing tab. And we're just going to create a quick example here. So we're going to say create workflow, start from scratch. And then the trigger is going to be our trigger link. So we're going to type in trigger link clicked. We're going to add the filter, meaning we want to specify which trigger link, and we're going to select the one that we just created. Click Save Trigger. And we can say anytime somebody clicks this trigger link, we want to add maybe a point, an engagement score to their account. So we can say add 10 points. So we can say add 10 points to account. Click Save. Now keep in mind, there's so many options that you can choose from as actions that you want to occur when somebody clicks on a trigger link. But in this example with newsletter, anytime somebody signs up for the newsletter, obviously we can set up for them to get a confirmation email, maybe a text message, but you can really get creative with what actions you want to happen. Also, anytime somebody signs up for your newsletter, maybe like a pre-recorded voicemail, maybe you can add a note to their account. There's so many options that you can choose from, but I just wanted to give you a quick and general idea of what is possible with trigger links and how to create trigger links from the conversation section within your account.